Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a Dr. Pepper Margarita. All right, as you can see here, I have an ice-filled shaker, and to that, we're going to add some stuff. Okay, first thing we're going to do is add 2 ounces of white tequila, the juice of half a lime. By the way, doing this lime squeezing technique is a great way to find out if you have any little cuts on your hands. And you also want to add 1 ounce of triple sec. Then pop the top on, give it a shake. Alright, we got our serving glass also filled with ice. Take our margarita mix and pour it on in. And last but not least, you want to top this off with Dr. Pepper. Like I said, it's a Dr. Pepper margarita. And then just give this a little stir, and it's done. So that's a Dr. Pepper margarita. Done.